We're chock full of news today. Keep your eyes and ears peeled and your finger on the button, boys and girls.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, it's Wednesday, June 18, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. Fighting between Israel and Iran continued overnight, with Iran deploying a hypersonic missile and no U.S. attacks observed. U.S. officials said the next 24-48 hours are critical for diplomacy or possible military action. European markets were steady ahead of the FOMC decision. U.S. futures rose modestly, and the dollar eased as Antipodeans led and the Swiss franc lagged. Oil prices retreated from highs and gold softened as traders awaited further geopolitical and central bank updates. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Oh, forgot to tell you. Did I tell you what my kids did with me on Father's Day?
No.
I went to Dave's
That's awesome.
Vintage Guitars in La Crosse, Wisconsin. And he's pretty famous because he's got some really old guitars. So I saw like a 58 Les Paul Custom. What else did I see? Like a wall of Rickenbackers. It's rare to see even just a couple in a guitar store, but to see an entire wall of them was really crazy. And some really old stuff like that reminded me of high school.
Really?
Oh yeah, all these old amps. I can't remember. I think they were called Koss or Boss. They had vinyl cushy outer exterior.
Hmm.
It's like sitting on a sofa cushy.
Oh.
So they did because your amps and stuff used to get all banged up and dinged up and whatever. So
Oh,
this
I know.
particular brand had that sort of vinyl exterior to prevent that from happening. So that was really cool. And then tons and tons of Marshall amps. So like my kid wants a
Hmm.
Marshall now because he played through one and he's, oh, that's so loud. And I was just like, yeah, that's why they play through those. So
Yeah,
yeah,
back.
that was fun. And they gave me a turntable Father's
Mm.
Day. So I have a brand new Sony E8 LX3108T turntable. And we went to the record store and they bought
Hmm.
me one record. So I have a reboot of my vinyl collection with the original Van Halen album. That's where I'm starting again. And
Hey,
then
does it sound halfway decent?
sounds fantastic. Are you kidding me? This is Bluetooth compatible, so I have it goes directly to my soundbar under my TV. It sounds great. So
Fantastic.
it's like way more convenient now because I have it on a little shelf in my office
Yeah,
and I can play it anywhere in the house because of the Bluetooth. So if I'm in the
nice.
basement or I'm in a garage or whatever, I just hook up there. Anyway, enough about my many expensive hobbies. Let's talk about making some money to pay for them.
A couple of these trades, I wish I had to figure out why the heck they just dropped like that.
Oh, I barely got out with my life on US CAD yesterday.
Oh,
I
with
did
that
not.
five winner, yeah, that five pip.
Yeah, yeah. I almost
Woo.
lost my life on that one. I gave back a little of the winner on the third try or fourth try, but I mean,
Okay, I got you.
no, I did decent, but I got stopped out the last time I tried because I didn't expect it to just keep going up. Which, boys and girls, this is don't expect things. You'll get your ass burned if you expect things or you try to
Uh-huh.
predict. Just react. Anyway, so here it is. Starting with Aussie US dollar, we are currently in a bearish trend according to the indicators. and a fairly strong bearish trend. It's probably looking at this little trend right here. The relative strength is right smack in the middle, so that looks the same on the screen too. Volume is low. We're in between these two giant order pools. So we're pretty much just going upsy, upsy, upsy. Today's Fed day, by the way, so I expect it to be really stupid trade. AI is predicting bullish candles going forward for now. US Canadian dollar, that is in a bearish trend and a pretty strong one, which is being indicated both by AI and by traditional indicators. The RSI is close to bottoming out. As you can see, it's green. It'll turn darker and darker green the further it drops. And volume is normal. So on this one, I'm guessing something like this until the Fed does its thing at 1 o'clock today. AI is predicting bearish candles going forward.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
US Chief, we are in a bearish trend. That would be this, but it's a weak trend. RSI is in nowhere land. Volume is normal. AI is predicting bearish candles going forward. I think pretty much everything's going to chop sideways today until the Fed does its thing. Pound US dollar, almost a complete repeat of everything else. Right now, the trend is down. That's just that little line right there. It's a very weak trend. RSI is right smack in the middle. Volume is normal. And AI is predicting bearish candles. Unless something happens geopolitically this morning, which it could because we're circling the wagons over in the Middle East. I don't expect much action until after 1 p.m. today. So you can almost put it on autopilot this morning.
I think you'll get a little blip here coming up with New York because they'll want their piece of the housing action and unemployment claims.
Just had unemployment.
Some housing.
That really didn't do much. There's a Canadian guy talking at 10:15, and then the Fed shit starts at 1. And then we have unemployment numbers tonight at 8 also.
So we'll see.
We're chock full of news today. Keep your eyes and ears peeled and your finger on the button, boys and girls.